Alright, Monica, we're going to do problem 5.8. First part of the problem is asking for the yield to maturity. So, to start out, we need the periods. It says that the bond will mature in 10 years, but it's a semi-annual bond, so you take the 10 and times it by 2, which gives you an N of 20. You're trying to find your interest rate, so you leave that alone. Your present value is $1,100, but since it is a cash outflow, since you're purchasing the bond, it's going to be negative. That's your present value. Your payment, to calculate that, is just the $1,000 times the 8% coupon rate, but since it's semi-annual, you have to divide that by 2, which gives you 40 for the payment, and your future value is $1,000. So you hit compute, hit interest rate. Now that interest rate is the annual rate, but since it is semi-annual, you need to take that rate, times it by 2, which gives you a yield to maturity of 6.617%. Alright, that is the yield to maturity. That's the first part of the problem. The second part of the problem is yield to call. Now, it says it is callable in 5 years, which means for this, you have 5 times 2, which is 10 periods. You're trying to find your interest rate, so once again, leave it alone. Your present value does not change. It is still the $1,100 negative. Your payment, once again, does not change. It is still 40. However, your future value does change. It says it is callable at the price of $1,050. So that is your new future value. So you hit compute, hit interest rate. That gives you 3.2443. Once again, that's the annual rate. It's semi-annual for this problem, so you times that by 2. And it gives you 6.4886%, which is your yield to call. And that is the end of this problem.